Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here some trade with volume analysis. Yes, today I will take my every trade based on volume analysis. So it's a very important part of binary option. So volume analysis. So if we know how to analyze volume and we place our trade based on volume analysis, every trade we will win. So I am going to start, so let's enjoy. So this is USD pair, market is downtrend here. I took my trade in lower direction, volume suggesting me the market will goes down from this level. It's my late entry, so no problem. I think I must win the trade. So let's see what will happen here. So it's ATM, no profit, no loss. Sometimes we face this type of condition, this type of situation. So I'm explaining here the reason of my taking this trade. So this is downtrend here, and this is SNR level. So what happened in this candle? This is SNR level. The market strongly rejected from this level, and there is also a level here. This is total SNR area. So this candle got rejected from this level, and this candle also got rejected, small rejection from upper. So in this candle, the sellers already enter in this wicks, but it's a strong uptrend here. There is also buying pressure below this level, from this level. After this candle, the next candle exactly close in this SNR level, and there is also rejection, small rejection. It's confirmed me the next candle obviously goes down, because some sellers already enter in this wicks. That's why this volume increase. Again the market goes up. So we found upper rejection from sellers, and this is strong rejection from sellers. Enter in this candle already sellers, and this rejection, small rejection, confirm me the next candle obviously goes down. That's why I place my trade in lower direction, and this is my ATM, no profit, no loss trade, because of fast momentum of this market. So let's see another pair for next opportunity. Yes, no, I place my trade in higher direction. So let's see what will happen here. This is my very late entry. So let's see, volume suggesting me the market obviously goes up, but it's my very late entry. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my winning trade I am explaining here. The market started to go up from this level. This spinning top candle, this is strong lower rejection. In this candle, when observe two candles, this candle and this candle, this candle volume is low than this candle. But why this candle? This is almost same size candle, little bit large candle, this candle compared to this candle, but this volume is high, extra high. But what's the reason? Actual reason, this is the rejection. So this is a support level, this is the rejection. When in support level, the strong rejection from these buyers, already buyers enter in this candle, that's why the volume increase. The volume increase from the side of buyer side. From the buyer side, volume is increased than previous level, previous candle's volume. And after that, the candle strongly go down and again go up and make a bullish candle. These weeks confirm me the market obviously goes up, because this is strong rejection from buyers and the volume also increase here. And after that, this is a spinning top candle. This volume is increased from the buyer's pressure. Again, this spinning top candle form in this same level, in the support level, and the volume decrease here. The volume decrease here. But why the volume decrease here? If there is a round number, this is a round number here. So if, and this is this candle broke this round number and there is upper rejection also. So upper, if we saw in SNR level or round number level, if any candle have upper wicks and volume not increase, so next candle goes up. It's the rules of volume analysis, because if sellers enter in these wicks, volume obviously increase from the seller side, from between two candles. This candle's volume obviously high than this candle's volume, but the volume didn't increase here. So volume analysis suggests me the next candle strongly goes up, and this is my winning trade. This is the actual tricks of volume analysis. So let's go another pair for another opportunity. So this is USD JPY pair, and the market is sideways market here. The market is not a good market, so many doji candles in the market. So I will place my trade after closing of this candle. So let's wait. Same size candle, same size volume. I place my trade in lower direction, so let's see what will happen here. This is my ATM, no profit, no loss. I already told that the market is not a good market. Market is very bad market. So we don't take any single trade like this type of market. In this type of market, it's very dangerous market. So this is my ATM. In this I am explaining here the reason of my taking that. So this is downtrend market. This is downtrend market. So in this level, these two candles volume, same size volume. This one, and after these two, this type of two candle and two same size volume, we have to follow the trend, major trend, or we have to follow minor trend. So that's why I place my trade in lower direction, and this is my ATM. No winning trade, no losing trade. I found that this candle's volume is high. After that, there is two candle, doji candle in a row, and after this candle, these two candles volume, same size candle. That's why I took my trade in lower direction by following the trend and by following this candles volume. But because of bad market, this is my ATM trade. No profit, no losing trade. So no problem. Sometimes we face this type of situation. So let's go another pair for another opportunity. This is AUD USD pair, and major trend, minor trend is downtrend here, a strong downtrend here. So I have to analyze the volume. Yes. So I place my trade in lower direction based on volume analysis. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my winning trade. So I am explaining here. So this is a resistance level, and this is a round number also, SNR area. This is a strong SNR area. So first of all, this doji candle try to break this level, but it's failed. Volume, this is its volume, little bit lower volume than next candle's volume. The next candle, it also try to break this level, but it didn't break this level. But this candle's volume increase than this previous doji candle's volume, because in this upper wicks the sellers already enter in these wicks. That's why the volume increase. The increasing volume is the volume of seller side. Already sellers enter in these wicks, in this candle. That's why I place my trade in lower direction in this SNR level, taking some margin of safety, and market goes down close below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So this is all about my trading. It's very bad market now. So 2 trades, my ATM trades, no profit no loss, and 2 trade my winning trade. So thank you for watching my videos.